Okay, in this next tutorial, what we're going to learn how to do is how to populate some of the different features in Google Sites to make it look nice and make it look like a regular website. So a few things that you can use it for: you can publish it and have your own website, or what you can do is you can put all of your work on it, use it as a portfolio, kind of an online portfolio. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing you might want to do is make this background here. We call this a header. Is just make the header a little bit more personalized. So how you can do that is you click on Change Image, and then you can upload one. And what you need is you need something that's rectangular, and I have some Jordan specific logos that I use, and the way those look like this. So you can see here we have a Jordan Panthers logo, and then we have this thing called Pockets, and this is the logo I like to use for my header. So I'll click on it, and then you'll see it pop up. And then now I have my logo here, and you can come up here and name your website, Google Sites Tutorial, and then my main title, I'll just change that to Google Sites Tutorial. And there we have it. We have our title, and then we have our main page title here over the header. And then under here in this blank spot, that's where we can start adding things that we want to add to our website. So first thing we can add is we come over here to text box. And if you click on it, you'll see the text box appear here. And then these little tabs here can just move the text box wherever you want it. So let's say you want to have a little bit of a space between the Google Sites and then this first area of content. You can use this right here as the divider. And then all we have to do is move the divider between the title header and then our first area of text. And so what you can use for this first portion is, let's say you want to make it a portfolio, from my portfolio. And this is where you would put your content. And you can go on as long as you want. If you wanted to link to some content, what you could do is I'm going to show you how to link to a website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here, I'm going to open up a new tab, and I'm going to go to my website. And this is the website that I use for my classes. And then you can see up here it says jtowncarroll.com. All I'd have to do is copy the link. So you just push Control-C, and I'm copying JTown Carroll. I go back to my Google Sites. Then what I do is I click on this link right here. This is what this is. It says Insert Link. Clicking on it. And then I'm going to put my site. And then I'm going to paste the link by pressing Control-V and then apply. Now you can see when anybody clicks on this, they'll have the option to go directly to my website. Okay, then maybe what I want to do is on some of this content, I want to add an image. So then all I have to do is make sure that my cursor is where I want it to be, and then I can add an image. Okay, so Google Drive. I can pick an image from my Google Drive. And so when you click that, images from your Google Drive will come up. You can click on recent documents. You can click on anything that's shared with you. Right? Or what you can do is you can do a Google search, and then you can find any image that you want. So this is my site, and I like surfing, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on, or I'm going to do a search for surfing, and then find some surfing pictures that I like. There's one. And then you see the picture pop up. And I can either leave it there, or what I can do is I can populate it above my portfolio, make it big. Okay. resize the entire thing. And basically what I'm doing is I'm just personalizing this content. So you can see we have the header, the title. Now I've just added a picture, and